Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Motorcycle Unboxing. In this case, it's not really unboxing, it's more of an unbagging, but I'm very much excited about this. These are Happy Ears earplugs. I know a lot of people ride without earplugs and it doesn't bother them, and I used to be one of those people for many years, but my bike is loud and it's naked, and even with a quiet helmet, things get crazy, and you know, the wind rushing and everything, it gets pretty brutal. So I had a chance to try these new Happy Ears earplugs, and first I saw these was on a Kickstarter back in 2014, and I think these came out actually in end of 2015, and they are made in Sweden. They cost, this pack here is $30, and it's called like a discovery pack. So basically you get all three of these, small, medium, and large, because it's not one size fits all. And they reduce the sound by 25 decibels. And there's a lot of reviews out there on the internet, and most of them are about sleeping and concerts and just like ambient sound, but I didn't find a lot of motorcycle reviews, so I'm actually excited to try these on a motorcycle. Before I open these up, I'll show you the ones that I've been using, which is Eargasm, and these are pretty damn good. Obviously, they're 3 times the price, but this is the first earplug, because the usual earplugs, the reusable ones, they don't really feel good in my ears. I have some, but I don't need to show you what a basic earplug looks like. These right here, they're pretty damn good, but they are, you feel them in your ears. They do feel a little bit bulky, even though they work. I mean, obviously if you put it in right, then you forget about it, but I am curious to find out if these feel better, if these actually, you know, disappear in your ear, not in a bad way, but if you put them on, if they just do their job, which these definitely do. These are great, and I'm actually excited to pit these two against each other. Maybe I'll wear one in each ear and see which one protects better. But without further ado, let's open up a pack. I'm gonna start with medium and see how they feel. Boom. Let's give it a shot. Boom. So they come with a cute little case, which I could see how it would be so easy to lose. This is the tiniest case ever. Eargasm. I don't even know how to open this thing. What am I doing wrong? There we go. Interesting, cute little case. Eargasm comes with this nice little canister, as you could tell. So that is kind of nice. That is kind of exciting. But I can also use this canister for these earplugs. Oh, let's try it. So right away, they're tiny, and I could see how they'd be easy to lose. Apparently these are comfortable to wear all day and all night, and they last from 3 to 12 months for daily use, which is a pretty massive range if you ask me, but let's try it. Wow, these fit pretty good. You don't have to jam them in there that far. Ooh, nice. I may try the large ones. All right, so the medium fits a little bit small, so I'm actually gonna go and try the large. Let's try it. And I'm excited because in about 2 hours I get to ride upstate up to the Catskills. It's a 3-hour ride, and I get to try these. So let's try it. Let's try the large. So boom, boom. Okay, this is gonna be really interesting because they fit super comfortably, super light, and yeah, large is a perfect size for me. Interesting. So, wow, right away I could tell, obviously they're earplugs, but they're super easy to take in and out. Like, you don't have to, you just take them like this and just boom, boom. You don't have to jam them in there. You just kind of place them in your ears and they expand to cover them. So this is perfect. I'm really curious to see how it would feel inside the helmet. We'll check that out. But here they are in comparison to the Eargasm earplugs. There we go. We'll see how these compare. I'm actually very curious because these just seem like they fit easier and quicker and simpler, and they almost feel quieter. Let's see. Yeah. Because the Eargasm ones, you sort of have to like place in your ear and get it perfect. But these, it seems you can just plug them in and you're good to go. But the real test will be on the bike, and that's where we will meet shortly.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog, the continuation of the earplug review, or more like a first look, which actually did turn into a review because this is literally the third time that I'm recording this, and the first time I recorded it was like right after I got the earplugs, and the GoPro did not save my footage. The dog ate my homework, and then 2 weeks later after I used the earplugs I tried again, and once again, I mean, long story short, I need a new GoPro because my video should not be freezing, but that's not what this is about. So I'm wearing the Happy Ears earplugs, and this is probably, I've been wearing them for about 3 weeks now, probably about a dozen, maybe 15 times total, and let me tell you, wow, what a difference. Before I used Eargasm, before I used Happy Ears, I used Eargasm, which is this other brand, and they're also great, very nice earplugs, but there's a few differences. The price, you know, like Happy Ears are $12 and Eargasm was 30 plus, and it's just a different form factor as well. Obviously Eargasms were a little bit thicker and crazier, and these guys here, they're just, you know, simple and perfect. Ooh, speaking of simple and perfect, I love this little spot here. I used to stop here, but not this time. Anyway, so like I said previously, they're teeny, they're really, really small. So I actually was not expecting, like I didn't know what to expect, you know, because they're weird shaped, as you noticed. They're not like your typical earplug, they're more like a little weird squished mushroom, but they work fantastic, and I can 100% recommend these Happy Ears over Eargasm, and definitely recommend them over like those basic reusable one-time use earplugs, because those are total garbage. First of all, those are like terrible for the environment as well. So, but right now I'm in the Catskills. I am about 2-3 hours north of New York City, and I've been riding for the last 3 hours, and I'm telling you, you can hear the engine, and I was riding through traffic in New York City, whatever, and look at these turns, look at these colors. But as soon as you take off your helmet and remove the earplugs, the world sounds the same, you know, sounds nice and quiet and simple, and like you can hear everything. Usually after riding a loud ass bike with dB killers removed on the highway going like 75-80 for 2 hours, or back roads even, like your head would be buzzing, which is fun because it's part of the crazy wild experience of riding a motorcycle. But at the same time, it's like, bro, this is tough. This is like your head, like you take off your helmet and your head is buzzing for 20 minutes afterwards, and not anymore. Oh man, look at these colors. I can't believe it. I'm already a little bit late because a lot of the trees already shedded all the leaves, but and these turns are just delicious. Nobody in front, nobody behind. Gorgeous. So I can wholeheartedly say I do recommend these earplugs, and it's very nice when you try something new, something you haven't, like you've read some good things about something like a product, especially like specifically these earplugs. I've read about them and I was like, oh, you know, sometimes you try new things and they just don't work out. But these, they definitely work out. And the best part about them versus Eargasm earplugs is these are very easy to you just place them in your ears and they kind of just like place themselves, as opposed to Eargasm, which you have to kind of like pull on your earlobe and like situate them up in there, which is not the same. It's just not the same. So big fan. 10 out of 10 would smash again. And I really pray and hope that this review records, because if it doesn't, I don't know what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover, you know, I swear. But look at this beautiful valley where we are right now. This is the edge of the Catskills. Some would call it even not even upstate, you know. This technically, to people who really live up, this would be like downstate, but to me it's upstate. Glorious, beautiful. And right next to me is the highway, and we're about to enter the town of Roscoe. Hopefully I'll be able to do a giveaway of these earplugs soon, but that's not something I should even talk about on the overview, because, you know, you won't be current. You'll be watching this 3 years from now like, yo bro, where's the giveaway? There's no giveaway. Go ahead, pull out. Now that you see me, you should start slowly pulling out. No, crazy. Teslas, Roscoe Diner, madness. Alright kids, I will talk to you soon, okay? I'm just gonna pull over for a second and turn off the GoPro and start it back up. I guess there's no farmer's market today. It's a little too cold for that. And it's fine. It's not a big deal.